I see.
Yeah.
So out of so many products, right? What is one USP you would describe like all of your products? Because each product is individual in like has their own properties.
So for unique selling point, as I mentioned before, we combine a lot of active ingredients. Okay, what we see out in the market is that with some skincare brands, they just focus on one ingredient per a bottle. So which means that some people or some consumers end up buying 5 different bottles just for 5 ingredients. And what we've done is we've put 5 ingredients into one at high concentrations, okay, and so it makes your life a lot easier. And not only that, but of course when you mix them, sometimes what you get is a synergistic effect, a compounding effect when all the ingredients are mixed together that gives you a much better result than using each ingredient individually on its own.
It's like targeting like all of your skin problems at once, more effective also, and also like save costs. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, so I mean safety is always number one for us, and we have to ensure that our skincare products, as I said before, is suitable for everyone to use. Yes.
Okay, so on your website, right, I read that Juvenescence is actually one of your customers' favorite.
Yes,
yeah, so
it is.
I'm quite curious, like, what inspired you to develop Juvenescence, or rather, what is Juvenescence about?
That's a very good question. What I see in my clinic is one of the primary reasons why patients come to our aesthetic clinic here is pigmentation concerns. Pigmentation because we're in Asia or anyone in sunny areas, and we end up getting a lot of freckles or skin pigmentations, lentigos, melasma, and these are all very common pigmentation skin concerns that a lot of our patients have. So we have wonderful equipment to treat various lasers and treatment plans for this type of pigmentation skin concerns, but like I mentioned before, the other 50% of any pigmentation treatment requires good skincare. And this is the reason why we formulate something like what you said, a Juvenescence. And Juvenescence is basically a very highly concentrated serum which helps lighten your skin tone and any of your pigmentation spots when used over a long period of time.
What is so different about Juvenescence? Just now you mentioned the high concentration, right? What is the high concentration like? Is it vitamin C?
Oh yes, we use exactly. We use vitamin C concentration of 32%.
Oh, that's really high. Isn't like the higher, the more effective it is?
Well, I think the more effective it is one thing, but the other concern is always safety. We don't want to burn your skin here, right? And we want it to make sure that even at 32% or very high concentration of vitamin C, we can still use it on people with sensitive skin and make sure it's still safe. So yes, our vitamin C is 32%. Apart from that 30%, 20% of the vitamin C is encapsulated. Okay, we use a certain vitamin C called L-ascorbic acid, which is a very potent high version of vitamin C itself. And we encapsulate it in order to ensure its stability inside the skincare product, inside the skincare packaging. Because a lot of vitamin C products, one of the reasons is that when your concentrations are very high, what you end up getting is the color of the serum or the cream starts to change. It gives you this yellow tint because it becomes oxidized and as time goes on. So hence the encapsulation to preserve the effectiveness of our Juvenescence. 20% of the 32% is encapsulated so that it does not change color, and it can still give you that very high concentration of vitamin C at 32%, which, to be honest, I don't know many skincare products that offer such high concentration. Yeah.
What if it change color and I still use it on my skin? Like, will I get some like reaction, allergy?
There's no reaction, but I think what ends up happening is you may get a bit of yellow tint on your skin.
Oh really?
Which you may not want, and or some people may think, hey, I think this is spoiled. Is this mold? Has it gone bad? And you just throw it away, you know?
Totally defeats the purpose of skincare.
Yeah, so we try. So that's quite important from the consumer side to make sure that that the skincare can be used over a long period of time
Understand.
and it's stable.